DJ Delz, you know I love you.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We've got the Marvel Collector's Corpse box for this month. We're about to unbox. I canceled the subscription, but I resubscribed because I wanted to give it another chance. So, we shall see if this is worth it or not. And this month is all about, as you can see right here, Captain Marvel. Love the movie, and I wanted to see what this was all about. So, we rejoined. I will link it in the description box below if you're looking to join. And next month is going to be Endgame. The Avengers Endgame. I'm super excited for this movie. Definitely have to see how it goes down. Let's check this out together. So, opening up the box. Here we go. Wow, 2 pops. That's pretty awesome. First item we have is a t-shirt. Let's check it out together. And it is a Funko Pop Captain Marvel tee. And there's a close-up on the actual t-shirt. It says higher, further, faster. Then you have Captain Marvel. I do gotta say, I wish they actually showed the full cat, Goose the cat. Like, why not have it move just a little bit over here so you could actually see the whole cat? That's just my critique. Maybe I'm just overlooking things, but I don't think that's the case. I think most people will agree with me. It just makes no sense just to have the back half of the cat on the tee. And as far as the fit to these tees, I feel like they run a little small. I usually wear a large t-shirt, but I bought, like, for instance, the Black Panther pack, and I got a large, and it seemed like really, really snug on me, like super tight. So if you want it to be just a little loose, I would say to go a size up. That's just my opinion on sizing right there. So the next item we have here is... It's my son in the background. We have a mug. Well, not a mug, a glass. A pint glass. And it definitely reminds me of, like, back in the days. I remember when I was a kid, when a movie would come out, you could get this at, like, McDonald's. I remember getting the Return of the Jedi one when I was a kid, and it had Princess Leia, like the slave outfit with Jabba the Hutt. This definitely has that retro vibe to it. This definitely has that retro vibe to it. I think it's really awesome. By the way, if you haven't hit the thumbs up button, please do so. It really just motivates me to continue doing these unboxings. If you're new to the channel, also subscribe so you never miss out on any content. So this is the first pop, which I will give you an out-of-the-box look. Alright, so before we take this Funko Pop out of the box, I just wanted to show you what the deal is with this. So they basically grabbed the head from the Walmart exclusive, which we got right there, and they threw it on the body of the Target exclusive. So, I mean, they could have done a little bit more, changed the pose up or something, but to literally just grab a little from here, grab a little from here, and then throw it together like that, could have done more. It's still a cool looking pop because this pose is really an awesome pose, and I actually really love the way that the head glows on this one. It's a nice glow on this because, like, it looks kind of like a mohawk, and the way it lights up, it's really sick. And I did do detailed looks on both of these Funko Pops, so definitely watch those reviews. But let's take this one out of the box. I'll give you a close-up look, and we'll do a glow-in-the-dark test. Alright, so there she is out of the box. I love how she's flying and looks fantastic. And I can't wait to show you the glow on this because it glows like crazy. The pose is fantastic. I love when they have them on these kind of stands. There's a look at her back. There's a look at her other side. And as you can see, we got a bunch of WWE Funko Pop. I will link that in the description box below. Also, there's so many sick WWE t-shirts that are inspired by like old classic matches from WrestleMania. Just go to that link to the WWE merch if you're curious about all that. I mean, they're really nice. Check all that out for sure. But getting back to this pop, it's a great pop. I just feel like they could have done something just a little bit different to just make us feel a little bit better about this purchase. Alright, so let's get this glow-in-the-dark test on. Love it. The hair glows real nice. The eyes. It's a little darker on this part of the hair. And then on the fist they glow. I love glow-in-the-dark pops. Big fan of it. And then here is a look at the second one, which this one to me is just so awesome. I'm so happy to have this one in the collection. Let's get into a detailed look. Now looking at this awesome pop right here, he looks great. Definitely has a younger look with Little Goose the cat. I was very happy to see this when I pulled this out of the box, because I really have this thing about this cat because it looks a lot like my cat, Simba. That's Goose. There's a side profile. There's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. Let me know if you've seen the Captain Marvel movie, how you felt about it. Me personally, I really like the movie a lot. Is it the best Marvel movie? Hell no, but it's definitely a good Marvel flick. I didn't have any issues with it, except, you know, the eye, the whole situation with his eye. I don't know about all that. I'm not going to spoil the movie, but if you watched it, you know what I'm talking about. Let me know in the comments how you feel about the Captain Marvel movie. Also, I was at Target earlier, and look what I scored. Wasn't even expecting to catch this at Target, but scored it at Target, $8.99. I love buying Funko at Target because of the fact it's $8.99. They actually even had some Colonel Sanders over there, so definitely check out your local Target. They also had the Bulbasaur. So they had a ton of stuff over at Target. If you are near one or you're about to go to one, after watching this video, check them out. So just doing a recap now, we got the tea, we've got the pint glass, we got the 2 pops. Let me know if you think this was worth it for $29.99 plus shipping. I will link in the description box below where you can subscribe to this membership. I'm gonna let it ride for another month and we'll see how it goes down. If they start delivering that garbage, then I'm gonna cancel. That's kind of what happened. It's not even kind of, that's what happened with the Star Wars pack. That pack was great and then it went to crap and I was like, nah, I'm not messing with it no more. So hopefully they continue to deliver. I'm happy with this right here, but I'd love to know if you think this was worth it or not. If you think it's not, leave it in the comments. I'm not sensitive. I'm not going to come at you, oh, you're trolling, you're trolling. There's a difference between trolling and leaving your opinion. Sometimes people really do troll in the comments, but just because you don't like something that I'm showing you doesn't mean you're trolling. I like to give you honest, unbiased reviews and see what the people think about the product after to help you all out. So if you like that kind of style, make sure to subscribe if you're new. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. And I have a podcast. Check it out. We do Q&A. We talk about so much every single week. It is over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Check it out. It is definitely so much fun. We do the giveaways every month. Plus Q&A, an hour long, 54 episodes. Once you join, they're all unlocked. Every single episode is unlocked and it doesn't get old because it's Q&A and people are always asking me out of the box questions. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, everyone. And I'll catch you guys next time. We out.